Alright, today decided to make a video. I ain't uploaded in ages, so I thought, why not, let's do it. Content is going to be a bit rusty, filming on my iPhone, so just how it is at the minute. And I'm going to try and get some clips out the front of my house. With no chain, snapped it at T1 the other day, not good, get that sorted soon. So, here goes nothing. Right, I'm going to do a bike check instead because getting clips ain't working. I don't record myself. Even if I'm trying, rookie mistake, I know, yeah. Anyway, we'll do back to front. So I've got some demolition tyres. They're alright, grippy. We've got limited edition candy floss profile hubs. Vocal spokes on Odyssey rear rim. We've got hyper frame. It's not bad. It is very short, very whippy. We've got some hangover cranks. Exposure sprocket, did have a TLC one, but snapped that one in half. Fiend seat post with a stranger seat. Some forks, if anyone can tell me what they are. That's the logo on the forks. Got them off a friend a while ago, but still don't know what they are. And then I've got the same setup on the front, apart from Skylight front rim. Division headset. Firmest top low stem, which at the time it was cheap, cheerful, works. And then some Federal V2 drop bars. Cut them down an inch, they're way too wide. Got some Eclat pedals. Oil slick, keeping it fresh. And that's my bike. With beauty. No chain. Today's video is going to be a bit short. I haven't really got nothing to film today. Can't get to the skate park. Got no chain. Can't be bothered to ride. It's like 2 miles away. So keep it short. Did a little bike check. Weren't the best, but showed you something. Keeping my YouTube going a bit. Got 24 subscribers, so big up them 24, you know. Hope to get more. Just comment what you want to see and all that good stuff. Alright, like and subscribe. See you later.